Well, good evening. It's about 5 o'clock on Thursday, November 21st, 2024. Boy, I hope everybody's having a good day and that you get to have a good meal and visit with a lot of friends. Hope your work week's been easy. I was going through and trying to organize suitcases and see how much stuff I actually had. Yeah, I got way more than what I need. I got to get rid of a bunch more stuff out of what I want to take with me. At least a quarter, if not third. Half. I don't know yet. Oy. It has been a very interesting day. Trying to go through and check things out. Anyway, yeah, I did get some things figured out. I got my camera into a camera case backpack thing, and all that sorted down in. So, yay. Hey, it only weighs 21 pounds. Yeah, I might need to get rid of some stuff. Yeah, well, not so much camera gear and such, but yeah, I've got more stuff that needs to go than I even want to admit to. So, and watching couple of videos early this morning before I got started, trying to check out this, that, and the other, and yeah, that Tricycle Diaries, oh, they're making me jealous. Set up something like that and just go from beach to beach, find a place I want to go fishing and camping. Yeah, I could do this and have a lot of fun doing it. It might limit me to mainly the bigger islands, because some of the smaller ones I've been looking and seeing have little bitty ferries that, yes, they can carry a motorcycle on. Then some of them actually do get bigger ferries, but yeah, that is most of those aren't designed to have a lot of traffic, and especially not something that's in between either a full-blown ferry boat bringing in supplies or just a small itty-bitty one. Interesting. And they got some that don't even get big ferry boats in for supplies. It all comes in on little bitty boats. I don't think I want to try to put a big tricycle on an itty bitty boat and carry it over to a small island. But yes. Thing is, even if it's just the top 50 islands that I eventually get to, I think most of those would have pretty good way on and off with a ferry boat to carry a tricycle around. So, yeah. Anyway, I was was into the suitcases, and I'd laid a bunch of t-shirts out, big heavy duty like this, and I was paying attention, and a bunch of people were saying, don't bring cotton. And I got to looking at, most everything I got is cotton in some way or another. I mean, I got a few of the newer materials that are whisking. But yeah, 95% of what I got is probably cotton. And I got some shirts that are like this one here in pretty good shape. So, yeah. Well, actually, this one's in good shape. It's one of my better shirts. So, yeah. I think over that pile right there that's hanging, I think there's 2 of them in there that are worth carrying with me. And I'm getting to the point that I'm realizing I just need to throw more stuff away. It's like I got way too many shirts. And most of them are, I saved them because, this will make a good shirt to work on a car with. Yeah. Yeah. I don't work on cars much anymore. I barely want to do an oil change on my own car anymore. And I've got all the fixings for doing oil changes. 2 of them at least. Maybe 3. I don't even have... If my car was to get changed at every 3,000 miles, yeah, I've got more oil than I'm going to need for me, basically over the next 2 years, much less just 7.5, 8 months. Because I just did an oil change, and I'll probably be good with that until sometime in February, without busting 3,000 miles before then. Yeah. It's an interesting thought. But yeah, I'll probably end up doing my last oil change because I do have some. But then I need to take and actually, I guess get rid of some oil, sell it to somebody. I'm pretty sure I could, sell it for $20 for, a gallon of oil. Because oil ain't cheap nowadays. Or actually, I think that's a 5-quart setup. I'm not positive. But anyway, getting in there and looking and seeing and realizing some of the stuff I'd packed before was just totally stupid. Whole bunches of t-shirts that aren't going to be needed. Because, first off, they're thick winter t-shirts. I'm going to a place that is pretty much permanent summer. Or at least permanent spring, summer. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to need a bunch of heavy-duty, cotton, thick t-shirts. Unless I just want to drown in my own sweat. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. Had confusion over talking with my aunt and cousin and niece and nephew. Missed our timing. Didn't get to go. Life happens. Guess it could be worse. But it is what it is. Life goes on. Miss getting to be with family. Love them dearly, but sometimes things just don't work out the way you want them to. So, hey, it is what it is. That's okay. Can still rearrange and carry things over when I need to, as I need to. There's only a few things that I need to leave over there with them anyway. What else was there? Oh, yeah. I was trying to look at some of the electronics, for making radios and such. Yeah. I've got more stuff than I want to admit to. But yes, I need to take and get more stuff out the door. And actually, tomorrow morning, I'm going to run a bunch around to the trash dump, the trash bin out back. Get rid of a bunch more stuff. Because I got a bunch of shirts that got to go. I've got some that are going to be worth selling at a garage sale, but I still got a bunch of them that ain't worth even looking at as something to sell. Unless they're looking for rags. Because, hey, us guys, we just don't throw clothes away just because there's a hole in them. At least not normally. Because that just means it's a work shirt for working on something messed up and greasy, or something to wear in the cement. Yeah. We're just that way. We don't try to waste too much in the way of clothing, because, hey, it can always be used as a rag. And, well, until it falls off of us, it isn't a rag yet. You guys know what I'm talking about. But yes, it is what it is. I'm tired. It is past my bedtime by a bunch, being that it's coming up on 5:15. So, yay. Anyway, I hope y'all have had a blessed week. I'm up to 214 subscribers. Thank you. And please comment, hit the like, subscribe button, and get notified and all that other fun stuff. I'll catch you tomorrow. Trying to make sure I get all these out on a daily basis. Because, well, yeah, still counting down for the Philippines. And still trying to get it a daily vlog. And so far I've managed to only miss a couple of days in the last few months. So, and one of those, actually I did miss it, but I had recorded it beforehand, so yeah. I have two come out on the same day because of it. But anyway, I am trying definitely to get out one a day. Sometimes